can I come in?
Yeah, you can come in. Just I have to do my homework. Just give me some time.
Yeah, well, I'm just fine. I just have a little cold.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
I'm okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Was that you?
No, that was your cat.
I don't have a cat.
That was a pigeon outside.
Sure it was.
Wait, I hear my mom calling me, so I just need to go. Yeah, I gotta go like a cool boy.
Sure.